Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummies. So today we're going to learn about some rules that is important to make sentence in Spanish, right? So language is all about making sentence, right? Speaking. All right, so let's see some cool rules. Alright everyone, let's start now. These are some Spanish basic rules that we will need to make sentence. So let's see. First rule says that we always have to conjugate first verb in the sentence, right? So the conjugation is the transformation of the verb. Like for example, the verb dance, right? Dance is bailar in Spanish. So we always conjugate the first verb. So it's like this. When you say I dance, it's yo bailo. See, the original verb was this, bailar, but it become bailo. So that's what is conjugation, okay? So you can check out the previous lessons to know about this more. Second rule says that we don't conjugate second verb, right? We don't conjugate the second verb. Now, the second verb here is sing, right? Can is the first, sing is second. So you say yo puedo cantar, okay? Yo puedo cantar. Here, you know the verb that is in its original form in Spanish, they always end with this way. AR, right? ER, IR, they end with this termination. So it is not conjugated. We just wrote its original form. Yo puedo cantar. Because that was what the rule says. She can cook. Now here, ella puede cocinar. Right? Ella puede cocinar. Now here if you'll see, again, we don't conjugate the second verb. We just conjugated the first one. That's puede, right? It is the transformed form. So that's it. Now, the third rule says that we have to put articles according to the gender of noun. Okay? So article is, right, the, because in Spanish we have, different articles, types of articles according to gender. For example, the we have in English one, but in Spanish we have el. El means the, but the male the. Okay, and we have again la. La is also the, but it's the female the. So we use this to the depending on the word, the noun that is there. For example, when you say the book, now book is male in Spanish, so you say el libro. Because book is male, we put the male the. That's el. Here the house is female, right? Now because noun is female, we put the female the. That's la casa. That what it says. Okay, and yes, that is it. And yes, this rule is very important. Always, we never conjugate the second verb. Okay, so that's it, and let's go ahead. Now it says that adjective comes after noun and not before, like English, right? So in English we normally have the adjectives before the noun, right? For example, uh, here we say chica alta. Chica alta means tall girl. All right. Now, if you literally say this, it actually means chica is girl, alta is tall. It's like saying girl tall, and in English it doesn't make a sense, right? But in Spanish we just make it opposite. Okay, first the noun comes and then the adjective comes. Chica alta in most of the cases, most of the situations. Okay, chica alta, so it's highlighted with a color. Now if you say playa famosa, it means famous beach. And playa famosa, again here, playa beach, famosa is famous, so you're saying beach famous, but in English we say famous beach, right? So it's just opposite. We use pronoun first, sorry, noun, we use noun first and we use adjective then. Playa famosa, this is the rule. Now most of the adjective changes according to the gender of noun. Now again, adjective even changes according to the gender, like that it's describing. For example, when you say chico lindo, it means cute boy. Okay, cute boy. Now when you say chica linda, it means cute girl. Now you see here there is one word that's common, that's this word, that's lindo, right? And linda, this seems pretty same, right? Now what's happening is that lindo, linda both means cute, right? But here we are saying chico lindo. Now chico is boy, so what we did, we changed it to the male version. We put o in, at the end of it. So it became chico lindo, cute boy. So that's the way how you change the adjective. If you want to make it male, put it o at the end. If you want to make it female, put a at the end. Okay. So, and here it's chica linda, means cute girl, because chica is a female, right? And it's adjective, so adjective will also become female, because that's because this is, describing the girl Linda. All right, so I hope it's clear. All right, we just learned that the adjective changes according to the gender of the noun that it is describing, right? If the noun is male, adjective is also male. If noun is female, adjective is also female. Now the new rule says that if noun is plural, that adjective is also plural. Now it's some new rule. That's whatever the noun is describing. Like here's an example: a rich boy, we say chico rico. Okay, chico is boy, rico is rich. Chico rico, rich boys, chicos ricos. Now it means rich boys. Now here, if you see rico and ricos, see they both are same, but here it's s is added. It's because here are boys, more than one boys, so the adjective also become plural. So we make it ricos. But in English we don't do that, right? In English it's rich, rich. No, we don't do anything. But in Spanish, yes, we need to change it. Okay? It's rico here because there's just one boy. Here is ricos because there are more than one boys. And both of them means rich. Perfect. Next, here we have a female word, that's house. House is female. So when you say big house, just one house, you say casa grande. Okay, casa is house and grande, big. Now big houses, more than one, you say casas grandes. Okay, casas grandes. Now again, grande and grandes, both of them mean big, right? But it's just here it's grande and here it's grandes. Why? Because there is just one house, right? So it's singular, so big is also singular. Here more than one houses, right? More than one house, so we make it plural, grandes, right? That's what the rule says. If the noun is singular, then the adjective is singular. If the noun is plural, then adjective is plural. That's the rule. All right, now we're going to see some of the special word, that is made by combination of other words. So here we have one, that's al. Al means to the. Okay, al is made by the combination of a plus l. A plus l means to the. So a and l they fuse to make al. Okay, and it means to the. Perfect. Next we have del. Del comes from de plus l. Okay, and de plus l, de means of or from, and l is the. So it's del, the combination means from the. Okay, of the or from the. It's mostly from the. So whenever you say del, it's from the, and it's combination of these two words. It means when these two words comes in a combination in a sentence, you should not write it as it is. You need to fuse it, okay, and you need to write this way, del. That's it. Now let's see an example. To the museum, right? Then you say al museo. Al museo. Okay, museo is museum. Again, it is made by the fusion a plus l. Perfect. Now here we have another example, that's to the beach. Now to the beach, here you say a la playa. A la playa. Now you may be thinking like here is also to the, right? And here is also to the. Here we made it al, but here we made it a la. Why so? Right? There may be question. And the answer is because, see, al is made by the combination of a and L, right? To the. And this L is the male version, the male the. But here it's A is there, but it's la. La is also the, but it's the female the. So it means whenever there is the female the and A plus la doesn't never fuse it. They don't fuse. They only fuse, only the A plus L fuse. Okay? So that's the thing. After that we have an example, that's from the museum. Okay? From the museum, you say del museo. They come from the fusion of de plus l, right? Del museo. Now we have another example. If we say from the beach, right? Again, we say de la playa. We don't say del playa. Okay, again you may be asking why. The same rule, because again here only when it's they plus l. Okay, they is from, l is the, right? When these two combination are there, then it becomes del, right? And this l is again the male, because museum is male, male, so it's l. But here it's la, so de plus la never fuses together, so you have to write as it is, de la playa. All right, so that is it. All right, now here we have got some few vocabs. That's with you, we say contigo. Okay, contigo, it is made by the fusion of con plus ti. Con is with, ti is you. Okay, contigo. With me, conmigo. Okay, you say conmigo by this fusion. With him, con él. Con is with, él is he. So it's like saying with he, but in Spanish it becomes with him. Okay, with her you say con ella. Con ella. If you want to say with us, con nosotros. Okay, con nosotros. That is it. Perfect. I hope this was helpful.